The People's Democratic Party (PDP) has issued a legal notice to former Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik for making defamatory allegations against party chief and former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti. This comes 2 days after Mufti asked Malik, who is now Meghalaya Governor, to withdraw his claims that the former was a beneficiary of the now abandoned government scheme called the Roshni Act. A video has surfaced of the missile firing drill conducted by the Indian Army's anti-tank squad on Thursday in Arunachal Pradesh's Tawang sector. In the video, the Army's anti-tank squad destroys enemy tanks amid low visibility due to fog. In visuals, the soldiers are also seen taking positions in bunkers on a mountain ridge to observe enemy movement in distance. Around 15 people, including 3 police personnel, were reportedly injured after Vishwa Hindu Parishad activists allegedly clashed with police in Udaipur in Tripura's Gomati district. Police said the activists, who were protesting the attacks on minorities in Bangladesh, resorted to stone pelting when their procession was halted. The protesters claimed they had permission to conduct the rally. Punjab's Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa has said the government will investigate the alleged links between Pakistani journalist Arusa Alam, who is also former Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh's friend, and Pakistan's spy agency ISI. Captain Amarinder Singh is now saying there is a threat from ISI. We'll look into the women's connection with it, he added. At least 165 children have reportedly died since August end due to an unknown disease affecting children up to age 5 in the southwest of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The disease looks like malaria, but some children suffer from a disease we know nothing about that causes anemia. Congolese news portal Actualite quoted Jean-Pierre Bassac, the regional health chief, as saying, "Hundreds of teachers in Afghanistan's Herat province gathered and called on the Taliban to pay their salaries, which they have not received in over 4 months," local media reported. At least 18,000 teachers, including 10,000 women, reportedly haven't received their salaries. Some protesting teachers said they have no money to feed their families or provide medical care to their children. Hollywood actor Alec Baldwin accidentally shot and killed a cinematographer on the set of a film in US's New Mexico, police said. The sheriff's office said the incident involved a gun that was being used as a prop. No criminal charges have been filed and the incident remains under investigation, police further said.